Introducing the sleek and powerful 2024 Skoda Kodiaq 7S Sport. With a stunning blue exterior and a robust 2-litre engine, this vehicle is sure to turn heads. Packed with luxury features like dual climate control, heated seats, and wireless charging, every drive will be a pleasure. Safety is a top priority with auto handbrake, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. The 20 alloys and sunroof add style and sophistication. Rest easy knowing this vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Contact us today at spiritskoda.ie for more information on